Hi everyone, I've got a BMW 435 here. Just going to show you what we're doing on this. We're doing a dip beam. Main dip beam on this is not working. Switch it on. As you can see, the passenger side one is working, but the driver's side isn't. To get to this, it's quite a simple procedure. Before you do anything, make sure you switch the light off. Turn the steering wheel to your left, all the way. Switch the car off. As you come round, it's a special bulb. That's what we need to replace. This is the bulb that we need to replace. It's a special one, and that's the part number there. So it's a D1S. If you ever need one, you can always search online. This was bought from BMW. It is quite expensive bulb, but buy online from Amazon and eBay. Now to do this, you push this down. Sometimes you need a screwdriver. So if you push it down, push this down again, pull this towards you. Now that's the cover there that you need to remove. So it says open and close. So if you open, take it off, unplug this. Right, that's unplugged. Take the bulb out. There's only one way it can go. You can see these lugs, this lug here. There's only one way the bulb would go. So take this out again. Make sure you don't touch the lens, whatever you do. So put it back in there. So you feel it, it just sits in there. Perfect. And twist it to your right. So once you've twisted it to your right, plug it back in. Put the cover back on. That's it. Put this back in. And now we're going to check, see if the light's working. So if you go back to the front again, just ignition on. Now you see it both working. That's all you got to do on yours. Any more information, do let us know. The part number, as you see on the bulb, I've already shown to you. It's a DS1 bulb. So if you need one, buy online, it'll be good. Or BMW. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.